Hello, your local travel guide here again. Let's look at Iceland. Iceland is a land forged by fire and ice, where the ground itself seems alive. Glaciers, volcanoes and waterfalls steal the spotlight, but the real magic lies beneath your feet. Here, a geothermal engine powers the country, shapes the land and offers a quieter, more intimate adventure. Beyond the blue lagoon and tourist hotspots, hidden wonders wait, untamed, wild and humming with energy. This is Iceland's true heart, a world of heat, pressure and mineral-rich secrets. We're peeling back the travel brochure to explore the island's steaming soul. Our journey is downward into hidden pools, explosive geysers and stark volcanic vistas. It's a story of creation, power and a beauty that's subtle yet staggering. Prepare for a trip that's warmer, quieter and infinitely more interesting. Picture a secret hot spring, tucked in a remote valley, surrounded by mossy lava and silence. No crowds, no wristbands, just steam rising into crisp air and the profound quiet of Iceland's wilderness. Unlike the busy blue lagoon, these hidden pools offer solitude and a sense of discovery. Places like Seljavalalaug or Reykjanes require effort to find, but the reward is personal and wild. Here, you're not a customer, you're a guest of the planet. Submerged in warm, mineral-rich water, you watch clouds drift across endless sky. It's pure tranquility, a rare escape from our hyper-connected world. No frills, no fuss, just you, the earth, and the beautiful indifference of nature. This is geothermal magic beyond the turnstiles, an adventure that lingers long after your skin has wrinkled from the soak. Geysers are nature's dramatic kettles. Underground water meets magma, pressure builds, and suddenly a tower of steam erupts skyward. Stråkar, Iceland's most reliable geyser, erupts every few minutes, thrilling onlookers with its raw power. The show is brief but unforgettable, a reminder of the planet's restless energy. Beyond geysers, volcanic forces have sculpted Iceland into a surreal landscape. Black lava fields, vibrant moss and steaming vents create a world that feels otherworldly. Walk across ancient eruptions where the ground hisses and steams and the air smells faintly of sulfur. Every step connects you to the Earth's fiery heart. These landscapes are both beautiful and humbling, a living reminder of nature's power. Here you don't just observe, you walk through the aftermath of creation. It's a sensory experience that grounds you in the planet's story. Geothermal energy isn't just a spectacle in Iceland. It's the nation's lifeblood. The same heat that fuels geysers and hot springs powers homes and greenhouses, making Iceland a model of sustainable living. This deep respect for nature is essential. These wonders are both a gift and a responsibility. The moss takes centuries to grow and the pristine waters are easily disturbed. The rule is simple: leave no trace. Take only memories, leave only footprints, and respect the delicate balance. These are not theme parks, but living environments. By treading lightly, we help preserve Iceland's magic for future explorers. So seek out the quiet, steaming corners of the island. Listen to the hiss of a fumarole, walk ancient lava fields and connect with the Earth's warmth. Just remember, the ground beneath you is alive. Treat it with care.